In this video, we will see a demonstration of the V2X communication testbed set up at the Indian Institute of Science as a part of the Department of Telecommunications 5G testbed project. We will see a vehicle being driven remotely by a driver sitting in a command center by using multiple video feeds from the vehicle. Specifically, we will see the following capabilities of our testbed: the low latency capabilities of our cellular network, the low latency video codec which adapts to available network capacity, API access to RAN level parameters enabled in our testbed, and finally the ability to prioritize different flows. We have set up a vehicle platform that can be driven electronically using commands generated by a joystick. We will connect this vehicle to the joystick over IIC cellular network, which has been set up as a part of the DOT 5G testbed project. Over uplink, we will be sending multiple video streams of the vehicle environment to our driver sitting remotely in a command center. The remote driver will see the video streams and move the vehicle using a joystick. The joystick commands will be sent with low latency over downlink and will be passed to the vehicle controller board. There is another downlink video stream for passenger entertainment. We will see that our network can support all these flows simultaneously while maintaining low latency needed for remote driving. You can see the driver moving the vehicle along the road by looking at the video streams from the vehicle sitting in a command center. For comparison, we have provided outside view recorded by a person moving along the vehicle. At the bottom, you can see the complete dashboard, which includes a Grafana dashboard displaying RAN parameters such as the MCS associated with the downlink stream to the vehicle in real time. We have enabled this ability to observe real-time RAN parameters by including an ORAN compliant E2 node in our RAN equipment. This feature can be used to test any 5G application requiring real-time interaction with the 5G RAN. The low latency capabilities of our network are crucial to allow the remote driver to react to the situation on ground. Our setup can be used for testing many other applications requiring such a low latency connection. At the same time, a remote driving application too is of independent interest and can enable many use cases such as safe operation of vehicles in open mines.